In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can uninstall programs on Windows 10. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do, and if you want to go ahead and uninstall programs on your Windows 10 computer, laptop, anything like that, the first thing you want to go ahead and do is come to the Start button in the bottom left corner, and then go ahead and click on the Settings tab. And then once you've clicked on Settings, you'll be brought to this page here, and then from here what you need to do is go ahead and find Apps, which is on the left hand side here. So Uninstall Defaults Optional Features, go ahead, click on that, and then these are all the apps that are installed on your device. So if you scroll down, you can go ahead and you can find all the apps that are on your computer. So for example, if I want to go ahead and uninstall this game here, which is a pre-installed game on Windows 10, all I need to do is click on the app, and then go ahead and click on Uninstall. And then you can go ahead and click on Uninstall to confirm it. And then as you can see, uninstalling down there at the bottom, wait a couple of seconds. And now as you can see, the app has now been removed from my computer. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.